Shenzhen Honglan E-Commerce Co. Ltd. is a name that's come up in the e-commerce space, and today I'm going to share with you 7 crucial things you need to know before making a purchase from them. Stick with me until the end, because we're not just comparing their offerings, we're also diving into what sets them apart from their competitors. First off, you might be wondering if Shenzhen Honglan E-Commerce Co. Ltd. is the right choice for your needs. With e-commerce businesses flooding the market, finding a reliable supplier that's not only cost-effective but also offers solid quality can be a challenge. Shenzhen Honglan E-Commerce Co. Ltd. stands out for offering competitive pricing, but the real question is, does the value match the cost? Stick around to find out. Next, let's talk about their product selection. They specialize in a wide range of items, from consumer electronics to everyday tools and gadgets. But here's the kicker. They focus on providing products at scale, meaning they cater to bulk buyers looking to source items for resale. This can be a huge plus for entrepreneurs looking to scale their e-commerce operations. However, the product quality isn't always uniform. Some customers have reported that certain items might not meet the high standards they expect, especially when compared to industry leaders like Alibaba or Amazon. If you're thinking about placing a bulk order, it's crucial to inspect a sample first to ensure it meets your standards. The third thing you need to know is their customer service. While they've gained a reputation for being fairly responsive, there have been mixed reviews regarding their support. Some buyers have mentioned that getting timely updates and troubleshooting can be difficult, especially when issues arise with large orders or specific shipping requests. This can be a deal breaker if you're used to the streamlined support systems from larger platforms like Amazon. Keep in mind that customer service in the international e-commerce space can vary, but Shenzhen Honglan E-Commerce Co. Ltd. does seem to be stepping up its game in this department. The fourth thing to consider is their shipping policies. This is where Shenzhen Honglan E-Commerce Co. Ltd. shines, especially compared to other e-commerce suppliers in China. They offer multiple shipping options, including faster courier services and more economical choices for bulk orders. However, there's a catch. Some customers have experienced delays, especially during peak seasons, so it's important to plan accordingly. If you're relying on fast shipping for your business, make sure you account for these potential delays when ordering. Next, the fifth point, pricing. One of the reasons Shenzhen Honglan E-Commerce Co. Ltd. attracts so much attention is because of their incredibly competitive prices. They can offer much lower rates than domestic suppliers or big-name platforms like Amazon. But be careful. Cheap doesn't always mean the best deal. Sometimes the upfront savings can be offset by hidden costs like extra shipping fees, import taxes, or potential costs from low-quality returns. Make sure you factor in all of these aspects before committing to an order, especially if you're placing a large ongoing order for your business. The sixth thing to know is their returns and warranty policies. Many customers find Shenzhen Honglan E-Commerce Co. Ltd. to be a bit more rigid when it comes to returning products or securing warranties, especially for bulk orders. While they do offer some form of protection, it might not be as comprehensive as what you'd get from top-tier suppliers like Amazon. If you're unsure about the quality of a product or you're ordering in bulk, make sure to clarify their return terms before making the purchase. And lastly, the seventh point, reputation. While Shenzhen Honglan E-Commerce Co. Ltd. has generally been a reliable option for many e-commerce businesses, they do face some competition from established giants. Their reputation isn't as solid as some of the top global players, and while they offer low prices and bulk buying options, they can't always guarantee the same level of reliability and customer satisfaction. If you're looking for something more dependable or higher end, it might be worth exploring other alternatives like Alibaba, which has a more established reputation and comprehensive guarantees. So there you have it, the 7 things you need to know before buying from Shenzhen Honglan E-Commerce Co. Ltd. They certainly offer value, but like any supplier, it's essential to do your due diligence. Remember, if you're interested in trying out their products or services, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial offer and some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. If you're ready to dive into Shenzhen Honglan E-Commerce Co. Ltd., make sure to click that link and get started today. Trust me, you won't regret it.